there are 5 ways of being tax resident for income tax purposes in the US. One, if you're a US citizen, by virtue of being a US citizen, you are a tax resident even if you reside outside of the US. Two, you can trigger substantial presence by crossing 183 days. Now, that 183 days is a bit of a calculation that involves not just the current calendar year, but the previous 2 calendar years. Three, by virtue of being a lawful permanent resident, otherwise known as a green card holder. Four, when you move to the US, often you move sometime during the course of the year, not necessarily on January 1st, right? But you can elect to be treated as a US tax resident for the entire year on the year that you first arrive in the US. And the fifth way that you can become a US tax resident is if you're married to a US tax resident and you make an election under Section 6013G of the US tax code.